You've saved up for months, packed your bags, and can't wait to set sail until a banned item gets you pulled aside, delaying your adventure and embarrassing you in front of everyone. Join me as we reveal the 10 sneaky prohibited items first-timers overlook and the easy ways to steer clear. Now let's get into the meat of it. We're counting down from 10 to 1, these common banned items that first-time cruisers mistakenly bring aboard. For each one, I'll explain what it is, why cruise lines ban it, and how you can dodge the mistake without missing a beat. Trust me, knowing this up front will save you time, money, and a whole lot of stress. Starting with number 10. Irons and clothes steamers. These are handheld or plug-in devices used to smooth out wrinkles in your outfits. Cruise lines like Royal Caribbean and Carnival ban them because they're a major fire hazard. The high heat can spark flames in the confined spaces of a ship, where fires spread fast and evacuation is tricky. To dodge this, pack wrinkle-resistant fabrics or use the ship's laundry service, which often includes pressing for a small fee. Many cabins also have a hairdryer you can MacGyver for light steaming. Just hold it a safe distance from your clothes. Number 9. Extension cords with surge protectors. These are those multi-outlet strips that let you plug in multiple devices at once, often with built-in surge protection. They're prohibited on most lines, including Disney and Norwegian, due to the risk of overloading the ship's electrical system, which could cause shorts, blackouts, or even fires. Ships run on sensitive power grids, not designed for home setups. Skip the mistake by bringing a simple USB charging hub without surge protection, or rely on the cabin's outlets and charge devices one at a time. Pro tip, pack a portable power bank for on-the-go needs. Coming in at number 8, hard liquor and beer. This includes bottles of spirits like whiskey or vodka and cases of beer you might try to sneak in. Cruise companies ban outside hard alcohol to control consumption and boost their bar revenue, but also for safety. Excess booze can lead to rowdy behavior or health issues at sea, where medical help is limited. To avoid this pitfall, check your line's policy. Many allow 1 bottle of wine or champagne per adult. Otherwise, enjoy the ship's drink packages or all-inclusive bars. They're often a better deal anyway. Number 7. Candles and incense. These are any open flame items, from scented tea lights to sticks of incense for ambiance. They're strictly forbidden because of the obvious fire risk. One unattended flame could ignite curtains or bedding, turning a cozy cabin into a disaster zone on a floating hotel. Dodge it by opting for battery-operated LED candles or essential oil diffusers that don't require plugs. Check if plug-ins are allowed. Many ships have spa services for that relaxing vibe without the danger. Number 6. Drones. These are remote-controlled flying cameras, popular for capturing aerial shots. Cruise lines ban them due to privacy concerns. Drones could spy on other passengers, and safety issues like interfering with ship navigation or causing accidents in crowded ports. Plus, many destinations have drone flight restrictions. To steer clear,